So here we have DEEZ. We have DEEZ Shock Bands. This is a mock-up of how they work. So this is a 90 mounted with a 90 shock. This one is a traditional, so you notice it has one elastic band there, and this is the loops shock band, so it's two elastic. It's a loop of elastic, so it's a double elastic band. And so if you look, it takes a 90 and it puts it at about 70 to 75. So it's like balances your shock out, kind of puts it right in the middle of the in and out. So this is, one that isn't mounted. So that's how long these are when you take them off. So they're doing work right now. So here's a pair of loops. Here's a traditional. And yeah, they work really good, because the idea behind it is springs on your shocks are designed for pushing. So your springs are designed to basically keep the shock out. Nothing keeps it in. So if you pick your truck up, the wheels just drop down. So a DEEZ Shock Band will kind of counteract that nature, to where you only have a pushing factor, and it gives you a pulling factor so that it centers them. And then you don't get like a straight drop out, but you get like a lowering effect. So they still drop, but they kind of work in a system, like that one's dropping because the other side is it's compressing. So you get kind of one working in a system with another, so it gives a really good effect. It performs amazing.